Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about a phonics junction. Okay, in lesson 4, that is a poem. Sing a max rhyme. We are going to see about a phonics junction. Okay, so I have written the lines from the poem. You can read along with me. Okay, build with shapes, learn more or less. Tell the time, sing a max rhyme. Okay, so here I have underlined the word time and rhyme. Okay, now pronounce the word time. Time. Repeat after me. Time. The next word is rhyme. Repeat the word rhyme. So here what sound you can see? So we can see here that is a long I sound. Okay, here time. Here I, any one of the letter in the alphabet, so it can be anything, okay. So and E, so these I, any one of the alphabet, any one of the letter in the alphabet, then next E, they makes the same sounds, they makes the long I sound. Now pronounce the word and see. Time. So here long I sound mari namakku kekkuda, so it's a long I sound. Here long I sound is there. Time. And here rhyme. So while you are coming to the letter Y, how you will sound? You sounds like a long I sound. Now repeat the word rhyme. So here Y it sounds like it's a long I sound. Okay, this is what I have written in words. So in the word time, okay, time, here I, it any one of the letter in the alphabet. So M and E. And the rhyme here Y. Okay, the letter here, now they are pointing out the letter I. So here any one of the letter, it can be any letter in an alphabet. So only I have put in a dash here. Okay, so I, any one of the letter in the alphabet, and then next E. Okay, and in a word time. Okay, and Y in the word rhyme. Okay, they make the same long I sound. Okay, how does they sound? They sound like a long I sound. So I sound வந்து மாதிரி pronounce ஆகுது. Long I sound இது பண்ணி நம்ம எப்படி pronounce பண்ணுவோம் அப்படி ஆகுது. Here they pronounce like a long I sound. Okay, so listen carefully, students. So the word time and rhyme, the letter, now they are pointing out the letter. Okay, here I, okay, in the time la I, and next any one of the letters in the alphabet, enna letter naalum irukkalam, next E. Okay, and Y in the word rhyme. Okay, make the same long I sound. So here they make the long I sound. Okay, but they are written differently. So here they sounds like a long I sound. ஒன்னு போல எப்படி sounds ஆகுது, time rhyme எப்படி pronounce ஆகுது, long I sound pronounce ஆகுது. But while you are writing, but the spellings are different. Okay, but they are written differently. So here they make the same long I sound only, but while you are writing, the spellings are different. They sounds as a long I sound, but while you are writing, they sounds very differently, but while you are writing, it has a different spelling. Okay, that's what they are saying here. Okay, the letter, the next one. Okay, the letter IE, I and IGH makes the same sound too. So these letters also they make the same sounds. Okay, what are the letters they makes the what is the same sound? That is the same sound here refers to long I sound only. Okay, long. So here they refers to long I sound only. Okay, the letter, what are the letters? IE, I and IGH. Okay, they make the same sound, that is a long I sound. So this is very important. So now in phonics junctions, so we are learning about a long I sound only. Okay, so again I am repeating, students, so listen carefully. So in the word time and rhyme, the letters, so what are the letters? I and any one of the letters in the alphabet. So only I have put in a dash here, and E and Y. Okay, make the same long I sounds. They make the same long I sound only. Okay, but they are written differently. So though they are pronounced samely like a long I sound, they are while writing they are written differently. Okay. Not only these letters, that is I, any one of the letter in alphabet, then E and Y. Not only these words, but also these words also make the same sound. Okay, the letter I, E, I and IGH make the same sounds. Okay, so you have to remember these words only. Okay, what are the words? I, any one of the letter in alphabet, next E, then next Y, then the letter IE, I and IGH. So these letters, they make the same sound, that is the long I sound. The letter I, any one of the letter in alphabet, then E, Y, I, G, H, they makes the long I sound. While pronouncing, you could have hear the sounds. So like in a time. Now repeat the word time. So here long I sound irukkuda, then rhyme. So rhyme la y எப்படி sound ஆகுது? Rhyme. So இங்க வந்து long I மாதிரி sounds வந்து ஆகுது. Okay, students, we are clear with these examples and what I am saying I have written in the words. Okay, now we can see some of the examples for I, any one of the letter in alphabet, and next E, Y, IE, I, G, H. For this we can see some more words and we can also pronounce the words now. Okay students, now look at this tabular column. So now we can pronounce it and see to that. Okay, here what are the letters are given? I, any one of the letter in alphabet E, and next IE, I, G, H and Y. So for these letters they are given certain words. We can pronounce the words and we can see to that. Okay. First one we can see about I, any one of the alphabet, and next E. Okay. So I have to repeat after me. First one, kite. Repeat the word kite. The next, time. Wide. File. Race. Shine. So these are the words that are pronounced like a long I sound. What are the words? Kite, time, wide, file, race, shine. Okay, these are the words that pronounce like a long I sound. Next we can see about IE letters. We can see some of the words. Okay. First one, tie. Pie. Lie. Fried. The next, cried. The next one, tried. So these are the words that are pronounced like a long I sound. It sounds like a long I sound. So what are the words? Tie, pie, lie, fried, cried, tried. Next we can see the I lettered words. Okay. First one, mind. Mild. Repeat the word mild. The next, child. Next one, kind. Then next, grained. The next one, bind. So these are the words. Once again I am going to repeat the word mind, mild, child, kind, grind, bind. Next we can see about I, G, H letter words. Okay. Light. Bright. Sigh. Night. High. high, fight, fight. So what are the words? Again I am repeating: light, bright, sigh, night, high, fight. Next we can see about the Y letter words. Okay, sky, sky, my, cry, cry, why. Then next try, so try. The next one fry, fry. So these are the words that sounds like a long I sound. What are the words? Sky, my, cry, why, try, fry. Okay, these are the, so in the tabular column, these are the words that are pronounced like a long I sounds. Okay, so student, repeat the words once again. You have to repeat the words by your own. Okay. Okay, now we shall see the exercise. So see this picture. So read the given story. Underline the words that have a long I sound. So this is a story. So while you are reading the story, if you see if the word that are pronounced like a long I sound, you have to underline the word. Okay. So now we shall read the story. So I will write the words. What you have to underline? I will write down the words. You just underline the words. Okay. You have to write and have to underline the words. Okay. The title of the story is Kite Flying. Okay. Now we can read the story. So while you come across the word that pronounced like a long I sound, you have to underline the words. Okay. One day Anup found a child. So here long I sound is there, no? So you have to underline the word. Okay. First one, child. So underline the word child. Crying. Okay. So here also long I sound is there. Crying. Anup was a kind man. So kind. So here I sound is there. Long I sound is there. So you have to read aloud. While reading itself, you can easily find out whether it have a long I sound or not. Have to read it very loudly. Okay. So he stopped to ask the child. So child. So what are the words you have to underline? I am just writing. Okay. What you have to do means you have to write the story and underline these words. Okay. Then only you can understand. So he stopped to ask the child why she was crying. So crying. The little girl replied. The little girl replied. That she wanted a kite. So here long I sound is there. While pronouncing the kite, long I sound is there. Now repeat the word kite. Okay, kite. But did not have the money to buy one. Okay. It one buy. Anu took a child. Okay, child. Anu took the child to the nearest kite. Here, kite. So if the word repeating also, it's no problem. So here already we have underlined the kite. Now again also we are underlining the kite. So nothing problem. Okay, we can underline that. Anup took the child to the nearest kite shop and bought her a kite. Again kite. Again kite is there. He felt nice. He felt nice. When the little girl smiled. When the little girl smiled. They went to the park nearby. They went to the park nearby. Anup taught the girl to fly. Anup taught the girl to fly. So, fly. Anup taught the girl to fly the kite. So, again kite. Next one. The kite went high up in the sky. The kite, again kite, okay. So no problem, if kite is there, you have to underline, okay. The kite went high. The kite went high up in the sky. They had a wonderful time. They had a wonderful time. Okay, so the student now the story has finished. Okay, so I have written some of the words. So what are the things you have to underline? I have written the words. Okay, what are the things you have to underline? That is a long I sound. Edala long I sound irukko adala underline pannu. And the underline panna words mattum na inga eludhirukken. So you just go see the story. Okay. The long I sound words are child, crying, kind, child, crying, replied, kite, by, child, kite, kite, nice, smiled, nearby, fly, kite, kite, high, sky, time. So these are the list of words that they sounds like a long I sounds. Okay, students, copy these in your notebook. Okay, so in today's class we have learned about the phonics junction. In phonics junction, what sounds we have learned? We have learned about the long I sounds. Okay, so what are the letters that sounds like a long I sound? They are the I, any one of the letter in the alphabet, E, I, G, H and Y. These are the some of the words that are sounds like a long I sound. So for that, let us we have seen the example sentences and also we have pronounced it and see, right? Okay, students have to pronounce the words. By pronouncing itself, you can hear that the word it's having it sounds like a long I sounds. Okay. Thank you for watching.